Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure the keyboard has enough power. Charge it until the LED shows steady or above 20% so firmware routines run correctly. Once charged, remove any protective film and inspect the magnetic attachment and keycaps for debris, because poor contact causes connection issues. Next, press and hold the power button for 2 to 3 seconds to enter pairing ready mode. The LED will blink. This confirms the keyboard broadcast is active and ready for the next step. Once the keyboard is broadcasting, switch your tablet or phone to Bluetooth and scan. If you prefer smart connector or a magnetic dock, align clips and confirm connection. This avoids Bluetooth latency. When using Bluetooth, press the keyboard's pairing key, then select the Zagg entry on your device list. Enter a shown code if prompted. After connection, open keyboard layout settings to enable function keys, language layout, and shortcuts so your keys map correctly to copy, paste, brightness, and media controls. You finish setup by customizing shortcuts and reviewing modifier behavior so the keyboard fits your workflow. Do this in the companion app or your operating system's keyboard preferences. Once done, check for firmware updates and install them with the keyboard connected to power to prevent corruption. If the keyboard becomes unresponsive, restart the keyboard and device, repair via Bluetooth, and if necessary, perform the factory reset sequence specified in the manual. This clears persistent firmware states and usually resolves connection faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.